have won a basketball tournament. Like
together, collectively.
Yeah.
Everyone's built athletic too.
We are all.
Yeah, everyone's built athletic.
Everybody played something.
And
plays.
Yeah.
Like we still, you know what I'm saying? I'm slowing down. I'm coming down on my, my twilight years of necessarily hooping.
Yeah, but
I still drop though.
I seen them.
I still drop.
Hey, just know.
It's still there.
I don't got that.
Yeah, it's still there. I just won't.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like I'm not trying to do that every day.
Yeah, but what you're dropping down to is what people would like to get out of.
You true. That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. But then you got to think about it, right? Like, so here's my thing about just that, and sidebar or whatever. But you got to be okay with whatever size you're at, right? And whether that be, you know what I'm saying? Because I was talking to a friend, and he was like, "Dog, I remember when some of you was jacked up," and I was like, "Dog, but my mobility was trash, like, and I couldn't, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was like, I get you with one punch, and I'm throwing you through a wall, but it's like, nah, I ain't not gonna do this for long, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I would rather, you know what I mean? Like, I would rather my functionality right now, so I'm doing more yoga, and that's the biggest thing right now. So
class yoga,
yoga
Crystal.
No.
She does an amazing job. That's why I just shout her out. Yeah, we have the same birthday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Me, Crystal, and China, who does the sound bowls, we all have the same birthday. Just found that out like 5 days ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's a lot of fishes in one day.
So, her birthday was the other
Sundays,
day.
Yeah. I was like, this is crazy.
Yeah, that sure was. So, but I mean, I had her drink before. Then we did the elevated yoga. Event.
Yeah.
And then I might just randomly. I'm the notorious random class dropper inner. Like I'll just pop up.
That's
random.
Everyone loves that person though.
Yeah, and I always bring a little sunshine to it. Like, you know me, like, we gonna do this yoga, but we gonna crack a joke too. It's gonna be some fun, yo.
Yeah, now you got to.
Yeah.
I mean, yoga brings on flatulence, so you might as well bring the jokes in.
Slim.
Yeah.
I've been into a gassy class. I would say that was funny as all outdoors.
I tell folks before they do yoga, you should clear yourself for 2 days. Like, whatever you got to do to clear it, 2 days, like, trust me, just top of the key. You'll be good.
This is true. Sometimes people don't go in like that.
Yeah, they bring the day with them.
Yeah, they bring the day with them. People gotta get it out. Listen, you get your stretches however y'all feel. Don't feel judged. Like I'm not judging you. Definitely not judging you. Just saying. That's a part of yoga, like, you know what I'm saying? Breathing and releasing, and if that's a part of it, then that's
I think another thing that's amazing is when you're stuffed up at night, if you do yoga, there's like certain poses that like really compress your midsection, and that will clean up like your congestion.
Also pressure points.
Yeah, that too.
There's a lot of pressure points in the face that like you can be like, and like, and you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. So that's a yoga and that I like for night recently I've been doing a sound like
that
the sound bath sounds in like a frequency change. So I do that like kind of before I go to sleep. And that's been alright, like, you know what I'm saying? The last couple of days I've changed. I got horrible allergies. So, as you see. Yeah. I have changed my medicine. I went from one medicine that I will not mention, and it is what I feel as though that meth, maybe not, because meth, people be doing some wild shit on meth. So whatever really knocks you the fuck down, like that's what that is. Because it's like I fell asleep and didn't even realize, and it's like you know what I'm saying? It's like one of them jokes where like you fall asleep and then the lights drop, and you be like, wake up and you be like, oh man, like damn, that didn't happen, did it?
That's
Damn.
funny. Yeah.
And that happened to me yesterday, and then the hour kind of threw me off too.
Oh, that hour that we lost.
I would have rather kept it back. People are going to be upset when you're at the bus stop at 8 o'clock and it's pitch black, and people are like, but I ain't saving the daylight. Like, this is a part. Like, this is a part of it. So get ready. So you know what I mean? But I think people got to figure that out.
No, that's real. That's real. So, you guys have done a plethora of traveling. To me, it's a plethora of traveling. In the industry that you guys are not only a part of, but you're pioneering on this side when it comes to DC. What's the relevance of traveling?
You got to meet the people. That's what we're really like. Like I said, we're really big on meeting folks, being in the community, talking to the people, getting our face in places where, you know what I'm saying, people just need to see us. Like, folks needed to see us in Massachusetts.
So they needed it.
Yeah, they needed to see us. Like, they needed to have some of that bouquet sprinkled, you know what I'm saying, into the place. So, like, those places are really important. Like, it's really important to go there. It's really important to go to MJ BizCon and look at people in their face, see people, you know what I'm saying, talk to people. A lot of times, like, you know, a lot the meetings were, I had some of my best meetings at I don't know what the name of the bar is in Aria.
Some of the best.
Some of the best. It's not in this necessarily. You're not gonna have a booth and a gazillion people walking by and stuff. There's a gazillion people in there. Like, you know what I'm saying? Those those meetings, those other social events. That's where a lot of the, you know what I'm saying, things was happening. And that's dope for us to be in that space. And it's dope to have representation, you know what I'm saying, in those spaces. And it's dope to have representation that ain't necessarily shucking and jiving in those spaces. Like, you know what I mean?
Have you
like,
into that in this business? It's a yes or no question. You don't got to give examples. You know what I'm saying?
Nah. Like,
it's still business for you.
Yeah. But it depends on how you know what I'm saying? I think for a lot of people try to really save face, and sometimes saving face ain't saving race. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like, so. Yeah. You could coin that too, you know what I'm saying? Like, saving face ain't saving race. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's really, that happens sometimes. We've seen that. I think you see that more than that. And like, you get it, but you like, dang, like, you ain't gotta go, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta go out like that. You know what I mean? You like, you ain't gotta go out like that. Like, trust me, dog. Like, you ain't gotta go out like that. Yeah. So, you know what I'm saying?
Do you sometimes look at, like, well, not the way people are raised, but like the folks they keep around them, and that kind of gives you a
you only as strong as your circle. You know what I mean? Like, and for us, we all are friends. Like, you know what I mean? We started as a group of friends, and it was the friendship came before the business,
which is important.
You know what I mean? Like, 3 of us are frat brothers.
Never do that.
You know what I mean? Like, so I gotta deal with you regardless. Like, you know what I mean? Like, so we could definitely do this. Like, you know what I'm saying? I think that's the biggest thing, is just that's where we were from. Like, we were forged a friendship. So it's like, we just are friends that want to see our friends succeed, and we just happen to all be in the same boat. So it's like, shit, why I ain't gonna paddle? Cause I want to see, you know what I'm saying, my man do good, and I want to see my homegirl do good. Like, and they want to see me do good. So why don't we all do good? Like, because like, we can, like, you know what I mean. So like, why not put this ship in, like you said, the right direction, and just sail these waters? And that's literally what it's been. So, you know.
When it comes to traveling outside of the state of DC, What are the concerns, like the checklist concerns that you guys usually have when it comes to like the products? Because what you sell are the natural papers, which are the bouquets. But most people, when they hear a company that's a cannabis company, it's like, oh, where the weed at? You feel what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah. It's always funny because people are like, all right, I know what y'all got for inside them papers. And this is like nothing. I hate to inform you. But it's like, no, it's like no groove. So that's why I really like in a way, we don't have to worry about so much licensing and the hands on the plant. Like I tell people, listen, you can buy a pack of these papers today.
You put that in the camera right here. Yeah. Some focus on
You can buy that pack of papers today. Take that pack of papers home.
Yeah.
And make cranes with them.
Did you design this?
The booklet?
Not that right there in your hand.
Nah.
Okay. You be in your design bag, so anything to shout you out, I'm going to just put it out there. Like the shirt you're wearing.
The shirt definitely is me.
Yeah.
The shirt is me.
Yeah. Could we talk about Practice Safe Sesh?
So this is birthed out of the pandemic. We were again friends, and you saying like, you know, you wanted to tell people like, how could you smoke in a social setting? And we'd be like, yo, what if everybody got their own glass tip or got a tip?
Yeah, like what they use for the hookahs.
Right.
Yeah.
So we like, you know, we milled it around, and I did my moral magic.
What you do.
You know what I'm saying? And we like, yo, glass tips. Came out with a red glass tips, a shorter tip, a tip that you can put inside, a tip that you can put the J inside, or even a fatty. If it's a bigger, you know, joint or whatever, it might be a blunt or so.
Yeah.
But we did that, and we was sitting around with the team one day on our crazy brainstorm, and I was like, yo, Practice Safe Sesh. And everybody was like,
that's crazy. That's crazy.
That's it, yo.